Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome IndexedDB corruption issues, step by step, updated for 2026. IndexedDB is a browser database used by websites for offline storage and caching. Corrupted databases can cause broken functionality, missing data, or failed site operations. Let's start. First, open Google Chrome and launch developer tools using Control plus Shift plus I on Windows or Command plus Option plus I on Mac. Go to the Application tab and select IndexedDB. Check the database for the affected website. Corrupted or empty entries may indicate a problem. Next, clear the corrupted database. Right-click the database name and choose Delete Database. Then reload the site. This forces Chrome to recreate a fresh database. Now, clear site-specific data to prevent further corruption. Go to Settings, arrow Privacy and Security, arrow Site Settings, arrow Storage, find the website, and clear stored data. This resets cookies, local storage, and indexed DB for that site. Check for interfering extensions, open Chrome / extensions, and temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions that may affect site storage. Reload the site and test. If you're a developer, verify your indexed DB code, ensure proper error handling, and database versioning. Improper upgrades or writes can corrupt the database. Finally, update Chrome via Chrome / settings / help and restart. Updates often fix storage engine bugs and improve indexed DB stability. And that's it. By inspecting indexed DB, deleting corrupted databases, clearing site data, managing extensions, and updating Chrome, you can resolve most indexed DB corruption issues effectively. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome troubleshooting tutorials.